Hey everyone, welcome back. Helium sinks 15% following the proposed move to Solana. Amid uncertainty about a potential move over to Solana, Helium's HNT is losing value and is now down 47% over the last month. And to show you the meaning of all of this, throughout the last month, the price of Helium was up as high as $9.38. In the last 24 hours, on the other hand, the Helium price has been as low as $4.64. It's now $4.82. So Helium is going through a rough time right now. They're losing a rapid amount of value. In fact, in the last month, the token has lost almost 50% of its total value. The market cap is down 8% in the last 24 hours. So the big question on everyone's mind, is it a good idea for Helium to move to Solana? And clearly, the market thinks it's not a good idea. If the market believes that this was a good idea, the price would be shooting up. It wouldn't be going down. Now, Helium's HNT has lost significant value since developers proposed a plan to move to the Solana network. Overall, HNT is down 32% over the past week and is 47% in the last 30 days. Now, Helium could be set for a major change soon, as the core developers of crypto-powered wireless network wants to move from its own blockchain to Solana. But if Helium token is in any indication, investors and users may not be fully on board with the ambition plan. Now, Helium's native HNT cryptocurrency has fallen by 15% since the Solana migration governance proposal was announced on Tuesday afternoon, per data from CoinGecko, dropping at a current price of $4.75. Now, it only continues to a recent trend of downward action for Helium's HNT, which is currently the biggest loser amongst the top 100 tokens that are ranked on by market cap. It is now down over 11% for the past 24 hours, 32% in the last 7 days, and a whopping 47% in the last 30 days. Try to understand that's almost a 50% decline and losses in its value. Now, Helium faced controversy when a pair of companies that it claimed as partners, cloud software giant Salesforce and scooter rental startup Lime, said that they had no official ties to the decentralized wireless network. Nova Labs, which represents Helium founder, said it would adopt a more rigorous process for marketing brand partners. Now, on the other hand, Helium is a blockchain-based network that powers wireless communication protocols powered by thousands of individual users. So its first network focused on providing connectivity to Internet of Things. These devices like sensors, trackers, now has over 940,000 users running a node or minor device, according to Helium's own stats, that shared their home internet service in exchange for rewards. Now, more recently, Helium launched a 5G network designed for smartphones and laptops, and it has more than 3,000 nodes operators thus far. Now, developers from Helium Foundation and Nova Labs want to move Helium to Solana, a Ryzen Layer 1 blockchain network used for DeFi apps, NFTs, and games. To aid in the network speed, security, and scalability, the proposal also claims more HNT rewards token will flow to the pool off nodes, miners, operators, making it more valuable for users. Now, many have pointed out that Solana previous network stability issues, suggesting that it's a bad fit for the service, power, and wireless network. For Solana's part, the network has been more stable recently following the implementations of various network upgrades and features, which is good. Solana is looking to improve itself during these difficult times. That's a good thing. I think we can all agree on that, but my question is, when will Helium start to recover? Now, this is just a look at the last month of Helium. However, looking at the last 3 months, you can see it's been even more crazy. In the last 3 months, Helium was as high as over $12 per token. Needless to say, it's now well below that 50% mark in value. It's lost over 50% value in the last 3 months. How crazy is that? Let's go back a little bit further, even further. Last year, 2021, in November, the market was doing absolutely wonderful. Helium was as high as $52.71. So the real question is Helium falling to a place of realistic value, or is it extremely undervalued? Either way, I can seriously tell you that one way or another, Helium is going to go for a recovery. It's going to go for an absolute U-turn. And this low price, this under $5 price tag per token, is going to change a lot. Because once there's some positive energy being pumped into Helium, some positive news, positive broadcasting, people mindset are going to change. They're going to realize that this token is extremely undervalued, especially for what it stands for, especially for what Helium does with the Internet of Things devices. They want to expand their capabilities, expand to further accomplish better things. And this is good. This growth is going to make them one of the most popular blockchain services. Now that this move to Solana is being proposed, now that this thing is actively being pursued, I think this is a good course for Helium. Solana's issues are fixable. Solana is not a perfect blockchain. Solana's ultimate issues are fixable long term, which puts Helium in a great position. Now, Helium's core developers have proposed the migration, which will be voted on the beginning of September the 12th. That's this month. We're only about 11 days away from that. Now, Helium, the blockchain platform that uses crypto token incentives to fuel decentralized network, may soon undergo a significant transformation if a newly revealed proposal is passed. And this proposal is to fully move to Solana. If this thing is passed, Helium is going to Solana, and it's going to change a lot. It's going to give Solana way more value. But consider this. What if more applications, what if more blockchains? Consider this. What if Helium is not the only blockchain that is considering moving to Solana? What if Helium and other companies, other crypto and blockchain infrastructures, partnerships, organization, what if they're also considering moving to applications, blockchain like Solana? They understand that Solana has its weaknesses, but working together, they can overcome these weaknesses. Ultimately, that's the end goal. That's the task. I think this is a great potential for both Helium and for Solana. So Helium could end up on the Solana network, on the Solana blockchain, just like many other dApps on the Solana blockchain. This could be extremely beneficial to Helium, of course. And with this, ladies and gents, the vote will have a huge impact on the price of Helium and the price of Solana. What if it's denied? If this proposal is denied, could we see a turnaround? Could we see a huge U-turn? If this proposal is passed, what will we see? Will the price fall even more, get even more cheaper for the Helium token? Or will people take an opportunity to start investing in both Helium and Solana? Seriously, I can't wait. But I'm looking forward to it. Helium is looking good right now because it's undervalued. And one day it will make that U-turn. One day it's easily going to get back to $10. It's easily going to get back to $25, $30. And that's for certain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and of course I will see you in our next video.